in our previous class we have done the numericals of past adjustment. Okay, so today we will do the practice because it is the topic which is little bit difficult. So let's start with the practice of past adjustment. Take out the question number 47 in your book and let's start. In this question we are having Anil, Sunil and Sanjeev have omitted interest on capital for 2 years ended on 31st March 2016. Okay. So in this question, the fixed capital in 2 years. In this question we have to prepare the analytical table for 2 years. This is the main thing you have to remember, that for 2 years we have to prepare, not 1 year. Previously we have done the single questions or single year question. In this case we have to prepare the 2 years analytical table. So how we prepare, let's see. Suppose fixed capital is given, the rate of interest is given 10%. And their profit sharing ratio in the first year is 4:3:2 and next year 3:2:1. And the fixed capital for 2 years have remained same, 8 lakh, 7 lakh and 3 lakh. Okay. In this question what they have omitted, Anil, Sunil and Sanjay have omitted interest on capital for 2 years ended. Means they have forgot to distribute interest on capital to the partners. Okay. So what we have to do, whatever the mistake we have done, we have to rectify that. So we have omitted to distribute the interest on capital. So now what we have to do, we have to distribute it. To rectify our error, we have to distribute the interest on capital. So make the format of that table, that adjusting table showing adjustment or analytical table I told you. So prepare the format. For that there are 3 partners, Anil, Sunil and Sanjay. So there will be 4 columns, Anil, Sunil, Sanjay, and the 4th column will be of firms column. So particular, Anil, Sunil and Sanjay. And total. Debit, credit, debit, credit and debit, credit and debit, credit. Now you have to see, for first year you have to calculate the interest on capital. So interest on capital we forgot to distribute. So now we have to rectify, we have to distribute it. So here we have to write interest on capital if we are paying, so it is the profit for the partner and it is the loss for the firm. That is not total, this is firm. Okay. Now interest on capital given. Now quickly calculate the interest on capital on 8 lakh, 7 lakh, 3 lakh, 10%. That will come. Now firstly we have to see if interest on capital is given, that is profit for the partner. So if the profit for the partner is given, then we have to credit. So lakhs 10% is 80,000. Next 7 lakhs 10% 70,000. And next is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs 10% is 30,000. Now the total, yes, if we have given the interest on capital to the partners, so it is profit for the partner and it is loss for the firm. So it will be debited to the firm's account. So that is 8, 7, that 30 is 1,80,000. Okay, 1,80,000 debit. This is the, we have to write here. Now I am going to write in short, you have to write in full. Okay, interest on capital of first year. First year interest on capital given. That is 31st March 2015 given. Now we have to calculate the second year interest on capital. That will remain same because the capital and rate of interest are same. So second year interest on capital on 31st March 2016. That we have to credit this also. So 80,000, 70,000 and 30,000. 1,80,000 debit. Okay. Now, what is the second point? The second point we have to make the balance of the firm and we have to distribute to the partners. So firstly we will do the balance of the firm. So balance of the firm will come 3,60,000. Okay, now 3,60,000 if it is in the credit side balance of firm, then what will be? It will be the loss. Okay, it will be the loss. So loss will be distributed which side? Loss will be distributed to the loss for the partner and profit for the firm. So loss will be distributed in the debit side. So 3,60,000 we have to firstly distribute in which ratio? Firstly we have to distribute it in the ratio 4:3:2 because first year's ratio is being given 4:3:2. So it will be debited. Here you have to write distribution of loss. Okay, in of first year. Okay, in 4:3:2. Now quickly distribute and tell me what the balance is coming. Means what is the distribution ratio by calculating the distribution, what the loss is coming. 3,60,000 into 4/9. 3,60,000 into 3/9 and 3,60,000 into 2/9. Calculate it. Just a minute, children. For first year, one more thing you have to keep in mind. First year, the total of the firm is 1,80,000. 80,000. So we will calculate 1,80,000 1,80,000 4 by 9, 1,80,000 3 by 9 and 1,80,000 2 by 9. Okay. If we calculate it, what will come? $80,000. So first will 80,000 in debit side. Second will come 60,000 and third will be 40,000. Okay, 40,000. Okay, on next the other 1,80,000 we have to distribute in the ratio 3:2:1. So other we will distribute distribution of loss in second year as per 3:2:1. Now we have to distribute that 1,80,000 into 3 by 6, 1,80,000 2 by 6 and 1,80,000 1 by 6. Now that will come 90,000. So 90,000 will be debited. Okay, 90,000 will be debited. After that, here 60,000 will be debited and 30,000 will be debited. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have the third step. I have given you yesterday the steps for revision. Now we have to do third. Third step is total of each side. We have to make the total of each side. Okay, so make the total of each side. $1,70,000, $1,60,000. Here $1,20,000, $1,40,000. 70,000 and 10,000. Sorry, 60,000. Now for passing the journal entry, what we have to see? We have to see the excess balance is which side. Okay, so 1,70,000 is the debit balance of Anil is excess with 10,000. Okay, so debit balance is excess with how much amount? 10,000. So 10,000 will be debit. Now in this case, in Sunil, 20,000. 140 is credit side, 1,20,000 is debit side. So credit balance is excess with 20,000. So 20,000 credit balance. Okay, and from Sanjay, there is a difference of 10,000 in debit side. So excess balance is 10,000 in debit side. So 10,000 debit. Okay, now what will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be we have debit of Anil and Sanjay. So Anil's capital account debit with 10,000. Sanjay's capital account debit 10,000 and to Sunil's capital account. Sunil's capital account, that is 20,000. I am going to remove it. 20,000. Okay. This is the single adjustment entry. Okay. Firstly, what we have done, we have distributed both years interest on capital. In first step, we have rectified what the error we have done. So we have distributed the interest on capital to all the partners of first year. After that, we have distributed the interest on capital to the of the second year. That we have done. After we have done the total balance of firm. So balance of the firm, we have taken out 3,60,000, but in this case, in both years, the ratio of the profit distribution is changed. So we have done it separately. So distribution of loss we have done 4:3:2 of first year, that is 80,000, 60,000, 40,000, and in second year according to 3:2:1, that is 90,000, 60,000, 30,000. And according to next step, that is step number 3, we have to make the total of each side. So total. Now we have to see where is the excess. So here 10,000 debit balance is excess. Here 20,000 credit balance is excess. And here 10,000 debit balance is excess. So the general entry will be Anil's capital account debit, Sanjay's capital account debit to Sunil's capital account 20,000. Hopefully you have understood this question. If any query is there, then you can ask now.